So we worship Srila Prabhupada because although there may have been many good people in our lives, many of you may think of probably most of you think of your father and mother. They were very good to you. Unfortunately, there are some people whose mothers or fathers were not good to them. And there are so many cases, especially in the Western world. I don't know why India is so crazy about following the West, which is crazy. There's so many cases of people in the Western world who were mistreated or abandoned by their father and or mother, or both. Yeah. But there may be many good people in our lives. There may have been teachers who helped us and so many people who helped us, and we're grateful to them for that. But we're supremely grateful to those who give the gift of Krishna consciousness. And again, why do we want to serve Krishna? Why should we be interested to serve Krishna? That answer is given in the Bhagavatam. Ultimately, why do we do it? Because it makes us happy. In one sense, it's selfish. But selflessness in Krishna's service is the best application of selfishness. But we're naturally attracted to serve Krishna. Most of us, we don't study all the Vedas, Vedangas, Puranas, Itihasas, Shaddarshan, and then come to the conclusion we should worship Krishna. But when we come in contact with the Vaishnavas and devotees, we feel, yes, this is what I have to do. That means because in a previous life, aho batashvapacho togari anyajjivagre vartate namatubhyam tepas tapas tejuhuvu sastra arya brahmanucha nama gurnanti ete. Persons who are always chanting the names of the Lord, even if born in lower families, are understood to have been through all the Vedic processes, otherwise they hadn't have come to this point. So we feel a natural attraction to that. And we feel, I have to do this. And even all our friends and everyone may say, well, that doesn't make sense. You shouldn't do it. It's not good for you. But we feel, I have to do it. We're attracted. The attractiveness of Krishna is attracting us. It doesn't attract everyone. Most people have a good resistance to it. But we're attracted to it. Why are we attracted? We feel this will make us happy. And it does. So we're most grateful to Srila Prabhupada for giving us that which will make us happy in the superlative way. There's nothing better than what Srila Prabhupada gave us. He gave us Krishna consciousness. There's nothing better. And what is that? Learning to be the servant of the servant of the servant. Service makes the connection with Srila Prabhupada. He connects us in Bhakti Yoga to Krishna. Service makes the connection. And that makes us happy. And we dance. And Srila Prabhupada asked us to dance. He himself prayed to Krishna, I don't know why you have brought me here to America, but you are like the puppeteer, I am like a puppet. So like a puppeteer makes the puppet dance, you make me dance according to how you pull the strings. So we can also pray to Srila Prabhupada, you make me dance, let me be a puppet in your hands.